Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 9. Sitting like one indifferent and unattached to these acts, O Dhananjay, these acts do not bind me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 9. न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु.
Chapter 9, Shloka 9. The law of karma is perfect. As the action, so the reaction. Lord administers both the projection and the dissolution of the pluralistic world. How far does the infinite get shackled by the law of karma? Forgetfulness of the self and identification with the matter layers of the body, mind and intellect, and considering them as real, is the birth of the ego, which holds on to this wrong notion and feels limited. Selfish actions performed by the little ego to complete itself leave their impressions behind, which later persecute the ego. The selfish actions are prompted by selfish desires and they create tendencies called vasanas. Unselfish actions done without ego and egocentric desires do not leave any marks behind, like birds flying in the sky do not leave any footprints in the sky. In the case of the eternal, in its mere presence, Prakriti gets enlivened. The mind and the intellect project the vasanas, and actions take place through the body again and again. But there is no attachment for nor any aversion, and therefore by their mere taking place on the eternal, the supreme is not affected. These actions are neither egocentric nor desire prompted, so they do not bind the self. The screen on which a movie is projected is not affected by what is happening in the movie. Even when there is a heavy rainfall scene, the screen doesn't get wet. Without the support of the screen, the movie is not possible. Likewise, even when infinite egos are playing their roles again and again, the self as the substratum remains unaffected. The self as pure consciousness illumines the vasanas and lends them the capacity to project out and enjoy and suffer. The self sits like unattached and indifferent to these acts and revels in Prakriti, its own lower nature. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.